See now here, problem set second, question number 13, page number 54 of that mathematics part 1. Page number 51, 54, question number 13. Ranjana wants to distribute 540 oranges among some students. If 30 students were more, each would get 3 oranges less. Find the number of students. See here. There are total 540 oranges. See here. 540 oranges. Okay. Suppose there are 540 students. See, suppose there were 540 students, each student will get one orange. Okay. If we give 2 oranges to every student, then 270 students will get oranges. If we give 3 oranges to each student, then 3 ones are 3, 2 coming 3 8 the 20, 180 students will get oranges. If we give 4 oranges, if we give 4 oranges to one student, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 3 the 2 5, then each student will get 135 each student. See here, if we give 4 oranges to each student, 135 students will get oranges. If we give 5 oranges, if we give 5 oranges, then what will happen? 5 ones are 5, 5 ones 0 8. Each that total number of students will be 108 if we give 5 oranges. If we give 6 oranges, if we give 6 orange to one student, 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are, then 90 students will be covered. See here, this way we can say that number of students, see, number of students multiplied by each student get oranges, that answer will be 540. Now we don't know student also, and how many students that orange getting, they also we don't know. We should say let the number of students be x, and each student gets y oranges. Each student get y oranges. Okay. Number of students are how many? X. And each student get orange how much? Y. Therefore, we can say that x into y is equal to 540. 540 because number of students multiplied by oranges got by each student. Therefore, total orange will be xy 540. Equation number 1. Now see here, by given condition. Given condition. What is given condition? If 30 students were more, suppose number of students increase, and instead of x, 30 students came more. See, if there were x students, that time y oranges will getting one student. But what happened now? 30 students increase. Now each student won't get y oranges. See here, when there were x students, that time each one was getting y oranges. But now what happened? Instead of x, 30 students are increased. Now new number of that student is x plus 30. Now each student will get 3 orange less. Less orange means first getting y orange, now getting y minus 3 orange. But total number are that much only, xy only. See here, total number same only, xy, that 540. You could write 540 also or xy also. Okay. See now, xy minus 3x plus 30y minus 90 is equal to xy. xy cancel. How this xy coming? Because that original number were how much coming? No, that much only. There is no change in that number of oranges. Now what answer coming? Therefore, minus 3x plus 30y minus 90 is equal to 0. See, minus 3x plus 30y minus 0. 339. We can divide all by 3. Okay, then answer coming minus x plus 10y minus 30 is equal to 0. We don't want minus sign first. Change all signs. Then x minus become plus, plus become minus, minus become plus is equal to 0. X minus 10y plus 30 equal to 0. Now see here, xy is how much? 540. As xy is equal to 540, see here, we can replace y means 540 upon x, or x means 540 upon y. Anyway, we can replace y only. Minus 10 in brackets here. Y means 540 upon x. Y means 540 upon x plus 30 is equal to 0. See this step very carefully. X minus minus 10 10 30 30 0 0. Only difference is that y. I have removed y, and y means 540 upon x. This x multiply here, become here division. See now here, x minus multiplication 5400 upon x plus 30 is equal to 0. We don't want x as downside. Multiply all by x. Then we can say that multiplying each term by x. If we multiply each term by x, see now, multiply each term by x. Answer coming x square minus, here multiply by x square, here multiply x cancel, minus 5400. Okay, here multiply by x cancel, here multiply by x become 30x is equal to 0. Then standard formula will be x square plus 30x minus 5400 is equal to 0. Okay, see, x square plus 30x minus 5400 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation. Here is minus sign. Minus sign means there are two numbers whose subtraction 30, multiplication 5400. Subtraction 30. Okay, take any number. Suppose subtract 30, no, 50 and 20. Subtraction is how much? 30. Do multiplication 0 0 5 to 10, 100 coming. We want 5000. Increase numbers. Suppose this is 20. This will be 60. This 30, 60, 0 0, 1800. We want again increase number. Increase this by 20, this by 20. Coming 80, 50. Always difference should be 30. Difference should be always how much? 30. 0, 0, 8, 5 is 40, 4000 coming. We want 5400. Increase again. 10, 10, 60, 90, 0, 0, 9 is a 54. Came answer. How much answer coming? 5490 and 60. Now answer coming 90, 60. The 90 should be plus, 60 should be minus. Then x square plus 90x minus 60x minus 5400 equal to 0. Now take x as common. X in bracket x plus 90 minus 60. We can divide directly by x 60 because why? 0 0 cancel, 6 table there is 54. 60 x minus minus plus 90 is equal to 0. See, divide 5400 by 60, answer coming 90 because we had done already only 90 into 60 coming 5400. Double brackets in one time, minus 60 and x plus 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 60 equal to 0 or x plus 90 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 60 or x equal to minus 90. But x is number of students. Therefore, x should not be minus 90, therefore x equal to 60. Therefore number of students equal to 60, and each student gets oranges equal to 540 upon 60 equal to 0, 6 9s are 9. See here, original students were 60 and each one was getting 9 oranges. But what happened? 30 student increase, student become 90. Each one get 3 oranges less, getting 60. This also 5 4, this also 540. Okay, both are 540 because why? 96 are 9 6 also 6 9 also same answer coming 540. Therefore, if 30 student increase, each one will get 3 oranges less. Therefore, original number of student was 60 and each one was getting number of oranges as 9.